Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you another fish recipe. It's again a small fish we call puti mach in Bengali. This recipe can be done with any small fish or even the big fishes like rohu, katla or things like that. So this is the tamarind which is being soaked in the water, and with this I'm going to do the entire recipe. It's called we call it machet tok. You can name it as khatta meetha fish, and it is extremely tasty and delicious, and in summers you will enjoy it like anything. So please stay tuned to the channel to know the complete recipe. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, do subscribe and also press the bell icon for notification of my subsequent uploads. So now let's dive into the recipe. So for the recipe, what I have done initially is that after cleaning the fish, I have just mixed the fish with some salt and turmeric, just so for 15 minutes before I start cooking. And this is the tamarind which is being soaked in normal plain drinking water for some another 15 minutes, like for the same amount of time that I have mixed the fish with this turmeric and salt. So with this, now as 15 minutes are completely over for me, at this stage I'm going to start with the recipe. So let's begin with the recipe now. So the first thing is that you have to put oil in the kadai, and after I have here put mustard oil, but you can put any oil according to your preference. And in that mustard oil I have put a thing which is called panchforan in Bengali, but it is a mixture of kalonji and sauf and methi. So these three things, and jeera, all of this together, and these three things has been put as a tadka in the oil, and after that I am putting red chili, dried red chili. Now you see the fishes are completely fried on both the sides. It's deep fry which you have to do. Now the next thing is that making the gravy of it. Now what I'm doing is that I'm taking the tamarind pulp out of the tamarind which was soaked in the water already. This is how you have to extract the pulp. Now in the same kadai which I have fried the fishes, I have put the tamarind pulp, which I have shown you the process in which I have extracted the tamarind pulp which was soaked in the water, and now I'll be adding some normal regular water in this, and in that I have to add some sugar and salt according to my taste level. We like it in a little sugary and also a little mirchi flavor, so we do it accordingly, but you can add the salt and the sugar according to your level of tolerance. Here goes the water, more water. The only aim is that it should be a little tangy in flavor. Now in this water we have just added the fried fishes, the fishes which are fried already, and now we will be adding the salt and sugar according to our taste. So here first goes the salt. After adding the salt, just close the lid for some time and let it cook, and then at the end we will be adding the sugar. So we'll just close the lid now. Now that the fishes have started getting cooked, we have added sugar according to our taste level. You can add more or less according to the level. It just has to be a little tangy, so it will be sour, salty, like with a little chilies also. See, I have added green chilies here, and also you can add red chili powder and also sugar. So these flavors has to get a mixed feeling in the fish. So that is what is the fish recipe about. So now again, after adding the sugar, we have to cook it for some time. It does not have a lot of gravy. It is a little semi-liquid type of gravy of the fish, and you can do it with any fish for that matter. It makes this tamarind also makes the fish soft, and it becomes really tasty for eating. Now we'll be doing the rest of the cooking with a closed lid. So yeah, now the fish is completely done. It has we have added salt, sugar, chilies and chili powder, green chilies and also the tamarind pulp. So this is how exactly the fish should be. You will have a smell of nice tangy smell also coming out of it. So yeah, try this out and let me know in the comment section below how it was. And you can try it with any fish for that matter, small or bigger in size. It makes the fish soft and also really tasty. So if you have not subscribed to my channel already, please do subscribe and also press the bell icon for notification and serve this hot. Bye. Take care.